right, so tonight Jackson is going to be teaching y'all how to make clams casino. So we've got some clams that we treaded up with our feet in a clam rake this past weekend, over 4th of July weekend, and we're going to be turning them into some delicious food. So the first step is get your clams and put them in the freezer. You don't have to do this step, but it will retain all the juices if you put it in the freezer, because it's going to freeze all that juice that's inside the clam and make these things extra delicious, extra yummy. Third step, take your clams, we're going to put them on a cutting board, take your knife, and because you froze them, they're very easy to open. All you got to do is just lay your hand on top of that blade, press down and chop right through it. You wouldn't be able to do that with a live clam. I mean, you can, but it's a lot more of a process. You got to actually put the knife there, hit it with a hammer and all that. But you can see everything's frozen in there. All of our juices, all of our clam pieces, looking right. All right, next step, Easton, give me a bowl. All right, so we're gonna take a bowl, and we're just gonna take this stuff right here out of these clams. Make sure to save your shells. You do not want to throw your shells away because these are actually what you're going to make your clams casino in. And I recommend an adult doing this portion just because you're dealing with a sharp fillet knife here. Alright, so your next step, you're going to take your clams. You see you got your juice here. Just going to scrape all that in that bowl. And these are all the pieces of your clam. Now, bigger clams are chewy. That's why you're making casino. So what you want to do is you really want to chop all this stuff up well. And then we're just gonna toss that in our bowl. We're gonna do that with each clam. All right, diced up clams. Here's the clam shells they came out of. Chopped onion, little chopped jalapeno. We're gonna top each of these with some bacon, some cheese, a little bay, a little garlic, and bada bing, bada boom, it'll be good to go. All right, next up, we're gonna put bacon slices. Just kind of match them to size, whichever one they cover up. Bigger slices, use them on your bigger shells. And you don't have to use the whole thing. Alright, a light sprinkle of garlic. And dash a whole bag. There you have it. Run them in the oven on 450 for about 10 minutes. Couple key points. Make sure you use something with an edge on it because these will spill as you move them around and toss them and pull them in and out of the oven. So if you do this on something with holes in it, you're going to get clam juice everywhere and it's going to make a nasty, stinky mess. So make sure you put them in a tray. And other than that, you can add cheese to them sometimes. That's what Jackson wants to put on his. So we're going to put a little cheese on a couple of these, but usually we just do it just like you see here. And they come out just like a little bowl of clam chowder, man. They're delicious. All right, Clams Casino coming up hot. Ooh, that's looking good. There you go. Finished product. That is gonna be good.